Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie and I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and stick around for a little while. Today I want to show you how I made this Shamrock door hanger for St. Patrick's Day. I will be using 3 Shamrock cutouts from Dollar Tree, some ribbon from Hobby Lobby, some words I printed out on my Cricut, some paintbrushes, a couple of scraping tools, lightweight spackle from Dollar Tree, some new Shamrock apple barrel paint, dark antiquing wax that I had on hand, and some freshly baked chalk paint that I also had on hand. First, I removed the original hangers off the Shamrocks. I then used the lightweight spackle to fill in the holes, and I did this on all 3 Shamrocks. Then I gave all 3 Shamrocks 2 coats of the freshly baked chalk paint, allowing the paint to dry between coats. Once the paint was completely dry, I took the dark vintage antiquing wax and my wax brush. I gave each Shamrock 1 coat of wax. I then used an old rag to wipe off the excess. After letting the antiquing wax dry, I used the new Shamrock paint to paint all 3 heart shapes in the Shamrocks. I gave each heart 3 coats, letting the paint dry in between. I repeated this process for all 3 Shamrocks. Once I had all the Shamrocks painted, I decided it needed a little something extra, so I took some Yarn Bee yarn in honey that I had on hand and decided to use that to outline each of the hearts. I repeated this for all 3 Shamrocks. Once that was finished, it was time to add my words. Now, I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this, and I refuse to butcher the Irish language, but I can tell you that it's an Irish greeting, and it translates into 100,000 welcomes. This was super easy to do, and if you don't have a Cricut, you can use stickers or a stencil or do it the old-fashioned way and print it out and transfer it with carbon paper or the pencil method. The second Shamrock, I'm just going to add our last name and the year that we were married. And last but not least, for the third Shamrock, I'm just going to add the English translation of the first Shamrock, which is 100,000 welcomes. Once all 3 of my Shamrocks were finished, I took my ribbon and cut 2 strips at 6 inches and 1 at 10. I then used the 6-inch strips to attach all 3 of my Shamrocks together. Once I have all 3 of my shamrocks connected, I then take my 10-inch ribbon and create a hanger. And here it is, y'all. I love the way this turned out. I think it's simple yet beautiful. If you love this project and want to see more like it, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. And I'll see you next time.